Hi, I'm Jeremy Davison. I'm here at MarineMax, Sailandski, Austin. We're going to show off this 2021 Sea Ray SDX 270. This is a sold ordered boat. Customer ordered the boat specifically to his specs and options. Inventory is really hard to get right now with coronavirus. Boat sales have increased tremendously, so the manufacturers are trying to keep up with production. So what a lot of people are doing is ordering the boat to their specs. This boat has the blue hull. It's got the white sport tower. We'll walk back here to the back. This boat is equipped with the submersible swim platform. This is the manual one. You can either get them in power or manual. The power one actually stows up underneath here. You push a button, it deploys. The drive itself has to be all the way down for either one of them to submerge. This boat's equipped with a Mercury, Mercruiser 6.2 V8, 300 horsepower. It's got the Blvd drive here with the counter rotating props. Let's hop on the inside and we'll check it out. All right, so we're on board the 270 SDX. This is the stone gray interior, the swim platform, gray SeaDek. You have a nice sun pad here on the rear of the boat. Nice walk-through transom with a door. Close off the cockpit there. You've got a nice step here if you're pulling up to a dock, if you need to get off the boat there. Let's follow. They keep me on a short leash here, so let's work our way on the inside. There's a lot of room in this cockpit. Flip back seating. Opens up a nice big conversation area. This boat's yacht certified. So as long as there's a life jacket for every passenger and a place for every passenger to sit down, you can have as many people on this boat as you like. This boat's equipped with the Mercury vessel view. So it's got a 9-inch Simrad screen here. Beautiful dash. Flip up bolsters on each side. Fusion stereo. Here's the head. You got a sink down in there. You also have a window right around the corner. There's a good amount of room down inside there. This boat was ordered with the optional cockpit table, which is stored right inside of here. You got 2 ski lockers throughout the boat. The SDX, you get a nice big bow seating area up here. Fold down armrest. Underneath here, you have a front boarding ladder. Lots of storage throughout. So again, this is a boat that a customer ordered. They picked all the colors, added the white tower speakers with the white sport tower. Anyway, if you have any questions about ordering a Sea Ray, you can call me directly, 512-924-7065. Again, my name is Jeremy. I'm always here. Thank you.